I'm sick of this. I'm fine. In this bag, you will find pads. Hey, you don't have to worry about the spills at night. And that just takes a load of stress off of you. Thank you for sponsoring this video. Actually, they didn't. I'm lying. Please sponsor me. A box of hair dye in dark brown. So if you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure you're here because of my first video, part 1, I'd like to call it. The extended trailer that you never saw coming. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is me fixing my own problems. Finally. Today will be the day. My roots are kind of effed. The ends of my hair is gray. You can't really see it here, but when you do see this. Honestly, living with this hair for a couple days now, it's not as vicious as I thought it'd be. You know, this journey of having this full head of mistakes had really opened up my eyes to seeing the brighter side. The side with more apples. Because I did buy extensions that are dark brown, I proceeded to the drugstore and I found this hair dye called dark brown. It is currently 12 a.m. Why am I doing this? I know why. I don't have a lot of time because I leave the country, remember? I'm in full mode panic right now. So we're just gonna get right into it. We have the victims right here. I know that a lot of people use box dyes at home, but honestly, it's not recommended. If you have high expectations, aka all of us except me, obviously, make sure you go to your hairstylist. But if you have no time and you're gonna leave the country soon, a box of hair dye will do. At this point, what can go worse? Putting on the magic gloves. Been here, done that. I have to say these gloves aren't as spiky. I do like the see-through leg. It's very in right now. How are we orchestrating this? Mix your colors. Protect your hair. Gotcha. L'Oreal told me that this is the pre-color treatment. It looks like this. A tube of lube. What? Ooh, it smells good. Easy. I don't know why I'm getting so aggressive with myself. I think I'm just over myself. Okay, we're good. Both of these go in here. Nope. Number 2 goes to 1. 3 is conditioner. We'll use that in the shower. This looks like a big goop of mucus. Can't really smell anything right now. Please have sturdy hands. As you can tell, it's very thick. I can smell it now. Oh, I can smell it. It's all worth it. This is taking me a million years. Oh my god. Still here, guys. Still here. We did it. Oh my god. Got it. Progress, right? Why do I feel like I look like Ponyo? You know 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 Ponyo? Shut up! But what if it's not totally blended? It says it has to be totally blended. My life! This is what we're going for. We're gonna split our hair. Ta-da! Does this look blended? Keep the answer to yourself. But it can't look else. This is great because we have no protection for our neck this time. You know, I really need to make a cape. I opted for a trash bag. You gotta make it work with the resources you have. It's like, this is a survival show. The Hello Bubble hair dye is so much easier to work with. I don't care if it gets on every piece of hair I have. If a word can be an attitude that we are living by right now, it would be the word majority. We're going for the majority of my hair. Well, I feel like I'm gonna splatter this all over, and I did, so mission accomplished. That was definitely on our agenda. So I also dyed my hair and inhaling this cancer. I'm just trying to weigh out the pros and cons. Well, the plus side is it will hide my extension clips, I think. I hope. I don't know. The cons. I'm gonna go so basic. The darker I go, the further I step away from my goals. So let's go ahead and talk about topics that we don't normally talk about on this channel. The importance of Cesar Chavez. Oh, look at, we're getting in there. Nice. I really appreciate what he has brought upon our community, bringing awareness to migrant workers. And I just hope you guys know that I have a true appreciation of the food I have on my plate. It's so important that we pay attention to what's happening in our communities. So that's my piece on it. Now, for the next segment, it's tea time with Faye. Tea time with Faye. I don't know. There's no tea really in my life right now. Next. Wow, are we almost done? We are going right in. You know what? My concern is getting end countdown tickets right now. Speaking of K-pop, thank you guys so much for watching the ATEEZ video. I've been getting like so much funny comments as well. What does ATEEZ smell like? I mentioned this in my Snapchat. As far as Mingi goes, because I was next to him, he had more of a calm smell. So if you can capture calm into a bottle and spritz that, that's Mingi. It wasn't a strong smell, but compared to Mingi, it was a bolder smell from him. That's all I have for you. You know, I wanted to be whipped as well when it came to the group photo. I thought maybe I'll smell all of them. I'm surrounded by them. Of course I'll smell them, right? Wrong. I smell myself, but if I could smell myself, that means they totally smell me. My perfume was a little strong, so I'm so sorry. That day, I decided to wear my Victoria's Secret Tease scent. Hopefully that brought joy to their nostrils. I think Monster X smelled good. Oh my god, remember that moment when Shoni came out the bathroom? Oh my lord. It's like Jesus walked out of the toilet. So now that we have this beautiful chemical reaction happening, as long as you're killing your brain cells, it's working. So that's it for now. I'll check it back in and then wait, okay. I'm gonna shower and then I'll check back in and I'm tired. Bye.
It was a lie. I never came back. I took a shower and went to bed. The next day, I woke up to another issue crawling between the strands on my head. My hair was too dark for my extensions. Great! However, there's a rule to this madness. You must wait a couple of days because the excess color will eventually wash out. Bless. As you can tell in natural lighting, it's not all darkness. You see, it is brown. You just have to search harder. Look deeper. All in all, I was in Korea with this hair, and if you can define perfect, well, you can't. But let me tell you, Linda, the way my real hair and these extensions blended together was pretty close to perfect. Joke. It was aight. It's just hair. So the lesson of this video is there is one light at the end of every hair dye tunnel. As long as you persevere and you remember to shave your legs, you can do anything. The end. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks again for watching another nonsense video. You really wasted your time. I'll see you in the next Pixels. Sincerely, Pongyo.